Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am starting a beginner crochet series. In this we will learn how to do crochet from very beginning, starting from a chain, how to do a slip stitch. So let's get started. For this beginner series I will be using a worsted weight yarn. So if you see, whenever you buy any yarn, it will say size for medium. It will always tell you which hook size is good to be used for the yarn. It for best results you can use the recommended hook size. If you want your tension to be a bit tight or loose, you can go a size up and a size down from the recommended hook size. Today I am using a 5 mm hook for this video. Uh, so let's get started. I will show you how to do a slip knot first. So for a slip knot, you need to roll the yarn across your finger like this. So let's see this. You need to roll your yarn across your finger like this, and then you will go ahead, use your hook, pull the back yarn in front and let go out of your finger. So this will create a slip knot. So let me show you one more time. So you will roll your yarn across your finger like this, and then put your hook below this yarn and pull up a loop like this. Let the fingers out of the loop, and this will create a slip knot. So once you have a slip knot on your hook, let's see how to create the chains. So in any crochet video you will see, when you are working with the chains, you need to create the chains. So for creating a chain, this is how you will hold your hook and the yarn. So you will yarn over like this and pull through the loop on your crochet hook. So if you can see, we have created one chain. I will go ahead and do it again. So you will yarn over and pull through the loop on your crochet hook. So we have created two chains now. If you can see over here, we will do it one more time together. Yarn over, pull through the loop on your crochet hook. So this is how the chains are looking. We have done it 3 chains. I will do a couple more. So yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. So if you can see over here, these small V sections, this is how you will be counting your chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. The loop on the hook does not count. So right now we have 6 chains over here. So this is how you do the chains. I will go ahead and do 4 more chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you see it over here, we have altogether 10 chains. How to count your chain is, you will see these small V's. So you count these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have 10 chains over here now. So this is how you do the chain. Go ahead and practice at your own pace. Once you know how to do the chains, the very first stitch that we will learn today will be a single crochet. So single crochet. Let's see how to do the single crochet. So this is the loop on the hook. This is the very first chain space next to the loop, and this is the second chain from the hook. So we will go in the second chain from the hook. So you see here, this is a V. So this is the top loop, this is the bottom loop. So the V over here, you see, this is the top loop, and here is the bottom loop, and there will be a back loop in the chain. So a chain consists of 3 loops: top loop or front loop, back loop, and there is a top loop, bottom loop, and this is the back loop. A bump, slight bump you see over here at the back, this is called the back loop of the chain. So right now for single crochet we will use the top or the front loop of the chain. So I will go ahead and insert my hook in the top loop, yarn over, pull through that loop. At this moment you should have 2 loops on your hook. Then you will yarn over and pull through both of these 2 loops. This is called a single crochet. I will show you one more time. So in the next chain over here, you will go through the top loop, yarn over, pull out, so that you have 2 loops on your hook. Then you will yarn over and pull out again. So this is, you will have 2 single crochet. Now we will go in the next chain over here. So we will put our hook through the top loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. At this time 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. So this is how we do the single crochet. I will go ahead and finish this row. So next stitch I will go in, yarn over and pull through both these loops. Next stitch, yarn over, pull the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Next stitch, go through the top loop, yarn over, pull the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is how you do a single crochet. Go ahead and do as many rows as you want. So how to do the next? So this is once you complete one row. And how to turn your work. Whenever you are turning your work, make sure you chain one and then turn your work like this. Now the chain one that you just did, do not count as any stitch. It is just to make your work turn in an easier way. The next stitch which you will be working over here now is the second stitch from your hook. So if you count your stitches, the single crochets at this moment, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you should have 9 single crochet at this moment. Okay, so now we will do one more row of single crochets. You will go on the first single crochet that we have, and I will go ahead and do. So when you are doing your second row, one thing that you should keep in mind is, okay, so when you start your second row, so you need to go in the bottom of both these loops. So this V will be coming at the top of the hook in order to pull the yarn out, and then you will do the single crochet. So I will show you one more time. You will go here in the bottom of both the top loops. So we have this V over here, and then you will pull the yarn and the single crochet. So one more time, this is our stitch over here, the way that you see right over here, and then I will go in the bottom of both these in this space. In this space, I will put my hook through, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is how you will do your second row of single crochets. So go ahead and practice your single crochets. I will see you all in the next video where we will learn the double crochet and half double crochet. So this is how your single crochets will look like. So just make sure after completing each row you count your stitches. So here you can see once the row is completed, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So in each row you should have equal number of stitches. Make sure you are counting them. I hope you like the beginner series of how to do a chain and how to do a single crochet. I will see you all in the next series, next video, where we will see how to do a double crochet and a half double crochet. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you all.